How to change appearance in ChatGPT. Now, the first thing you need to do is open up the ChatGPT website and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture or profile icon in the bottom left-hand side of the screen. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. Now, inside the Settings window, look for the Appearance section. From here, you can choose between different appearance modes, such as light mode, dark mode, or system theme, depending on your preference. Simply click on the appearance option that you want to use. You can also change accent and contrast settings here if you'd like. Once selected, the changes will be applied instantly, and ChatGPT will switch to your chosen appearance mode. So, it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more ChatGPT tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.